Good morning to everyone, student. Here we are having exercise 6.2 question number 1 and 2. This video is especially for those students who asked me the doubt about Pythagoras triplets. Okay, some of the students through WhatsApp they asked me about their doubts in Pythagoras triplets. So that's why this video is for doubt clearance video. So here in this exercise 6.2, first question we are going to see about the find the square of the number. Then second question is about the Pythagorean triplets. So first we will do this first question and then I will clear your doubt about Pythagorean triplets, so that this exercise revision, full revision we will get. Okay. So first question is find the square of the following number. So here I am going to tell you the two methods how to find. So first method is, here since a number 32 is there and it is asked to find the square of 32. So 32 का square क्या होगा? Square means the number will be multiplied by itself. So 32 into 32 will be equals to 124. This is a first method. Okay, direct you can do as we can directly you can do as in the second part of the question is, here in the second part of the question of question number 1 it is asked about that to find out the square of 35. So square of 35, that means 35 into 35. So 35 into 35 it will become how much? It will become 1225, that is 1225. Okay, so this is the first method and this one is the easiest method. The second method which is here on the screen is, in order to find the square of a number, do you remember this method we had did already in the class 6 and 7. So how to write this 30 as? 30 can be written as 30 plus 2, isn't it? The square. So here we can write 30 as 30 plus 2 because 30 plus 2 is a 32 only, isn't it? Now use the identity as this is in the form of a plus b the whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Or if you will get confused while using this identity, you can also apply this method, that is 30 plus 2, 30 square is there, so as it is here it is a 2, 30 plus 2, 30 plus 2, twice we can write, क्योंकि a square को हम a into a लिख सकते हैं ना, तो similarly 30 plus 2 the whole square can be written as 30 plus 2 into 30 plus 2. So this 30 will be multiplied with both the term and 2 will be multiplied with both the term, so that we are having the number as 30 plus 2 into 30 plus 2 is equals to 30 will be multiplied with 30 plus 2, then plus 2 will be multiplied with again 30 plus 2. Okay, so here 30 into 30 will be 900 plus 30 into 2 will be 60, 30 into 2 will be 60, then 2 into 2 will be 4. Now 900 plus 6 plus 6, 60 plus 60 is how much? 120 plus 4. So here it will become 900 plus 124. So when 900 will be added with 124, you will get the required answer as 1024, which is same as the first method. So dear student, two method I had told you. Okay, whichever method you feel easy, you can easily do that method. Clear everyone? Moving toward the second part we are having. So in the second part 35 is there, isn't it? What is the number we are having? 35 square. So if we are going to do by the first method 35 into 35, we will get the answer as 1225 by the first method. Okay, by if we are going to do by the second method, that is 35 whole square. So 35 can be written as 30 plus 5 the whole square. Now 30 plus 5 the whole square can be written as 30 plus 5 the whole square can be written as 30 plus 5 into 30 plus 5. Now multiply the number 30 with these two numbers and 5 with again these two numbers. So 30 will be multiplied with 30 plus 5 and plus 5 will be multiplied with 30 plus 5. Okay, so here 30 into 30 will become 30 into 30 will become how much? 900 plus 30 into 50 will become here 150 plus 150 plus 25. Okay, so here 900 plus 150 plus 150 is equals to 300 plus 25. So here 900 plus 300 will become 1200 plus 25. So 1225 we will get the required answer. Okay, so I think you people will feel more easier to the first method, that directly multiplying the number without doing this second method. So better, I know you people to try to do the first method, it will become easy for you. Okay, clear everyone? So this is the second method which is seen on the screen. Try to do the first method, it will be more easier for you. Now moving toward the second question, that is write a Pythagorean triplets whose one member is 6. So dear student, before dealing with the Pythagorean triplets, what is Pythagoras theorem is? Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse the whole square is equals to perpendicular the whole square plus base the whole square. This is the Pythagorean theorem, isn't it? Now dealing with the Pythagorean triplets, what is Pythagorean triplets we are having? So in Pythagorean triplets, 3 members are there. First member is 2m, second member is m square plus 1 and third member is m square minus 1. So these are the 3 members of the Pythagorean triplets. And in this question it is said that among these 3 members, one of the member is given as 6, 14, 16 and 18. Okay, among these 3 members, one member is being given, the rest 2 members you have to find. इन 3 members में से Pythagorean triplets होता क्या है? That is Pythagorean triplets एक ट्रिपलेट्स है जिसमें 2m फर्स्ट मेंबर है, m स्क्वायर प्लस 1 सेकेंड मेंबर है और m स्क्वायर माइनस 1 थर्ड मेंबर है. इन 3 मेंबर में से एक मेंबर क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है, रेस्ट 2 मेंबर्स आपको फाइंड करना है. ओके, सो दिस वाज द क्वेश्चन. नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ टू डू इट. सो what is the first member? 2m, second member m square plus 1 and the third member is m square minus 1 we are having. So let the first member will be equals to 2m. So 6m is equals 2m is equals to 6 we are having. So m is equals to 6 divided by 2. So here it will become how much? 3, isn't it? So what is the value of m we are having? The value of m we are having as a 3. Now the second one we are having m square plus 1. So what is the value of m we are having? 3. So 3 square plus 1 is equals to, so 3 into 3 will be equals to how much? So 3 into 3 will be equals to 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. In the same way the second member m square minus 1 we are having. So that is 3 square minus 1. So 3 into 3 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. So what is the Pythagorean triplets value we are having? The first member is given as 6. The first member is given as a 6. Second member we had find out at 8 and the third member is a 10. So in this way you can easily find out the Pythagorean triplets members. So here we are having the Pythagorean triplets. So in this we are going to have, again we are having here 2 method. One method, first method I had told you just now. The second method is on the screen, that is m square plus 1 is equals to 6. Then m square is equals to, obviously it will be equals to 5, which is not the value, which is not the integer. That means m square प्लस 1. अगर 2m इज इक्वल्स टू 6 नहीं लेते हैं, हम सीधा m स्क्वायर प्लस 1 लेते हैं इज इक्वल्स टू 6, तो m स्क्वायर जो है वो 6 माइनस 1 होगा, तो m स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 5 होगा, तो m इज इक्वल्स टू √5 होगा. हमको पता है कि √5 जो है वो क्या, √5 इज़ नॉट ए इंटीजर, वो इंटीजर नहीं है, इसी कारण हमने उसमें 2m लिया है. ठीक है. सो दिस इज़ द पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट्स विच यू हैव टू स्टडी. Now moving toward the second part of the question that we are having as 2m is equals to 14. One of the member is given in the question as 14. So m is equals to 14 divided by 7. So here 1s are and 2s are. So m is equals to, we are having as 2 it is. No? So here it will be 7. So m is equals to, we are having the value as 7. Now what is the second member? M square plus 1 we are having. So 7 square plus 1. So here 49. 7 into 7 49. 49 plus 1 will be equals to 50. In the same way m square minus 1 is equals to 7 square minus 1. So 7 into 7 will be equals to 40. 9. 49 minus 1 will be equals to 48. So what are the Pythagorean triplets we are having? The Pythagorean triplets we are having as the first member is 14, second member is 50, and the third member is third member will be, second member is 48, first member is 14, second member is 48, and third member is 14. So this is the Pythagorean triplets we are having. Clear everyone? So dear student, in this way you are going to find the Pythagorean triplets. Hope your doubts are clear. So for today, thank you everyone.